After hectic parleys that's been going on for the last few weeks, the AIADMK late last night finally sealed its seat-sharing pact with the BJP. The ruling parties allocated 20 assembly constituencies for the BJP along with the Kanyakumari parliamentary seat. The agreement was signed by Chief Minister Edappadi K. Palaniswamy, Deputy Chief Minister O. Pannirselvam, the BJP National General Secretary who is in charge of the state of Tamil Nadu for the party, C.T. Ravi, and the BJP State President L. Murugan. The announcement comes after multiple rounds of talks between the two parties. Home Minister Amit Shah was also involved in the dialogue with the two top leaders of the AIADMK. Akshay Nath is joining us live from Chennai with more details on this. Akshay, the BJP will be very happy with this figure, considering, as you mentioned earlier, they don't have much of a presence in Tamil Nadu. Is this a gamble that the AIADMK is taking, giving them 20 seats?
Well, Akshita, we have been seeing that in the last 4 years, there has been a lot happening in the state of Tamil Nadu as far as politics is concerned. And the BJP trying to make its inroads into the states is very evident with almost all the senior leaders of the BJP, like Amit Shah, JP Nadda, even Prime Minister Narendra Modi, quite often visiting this place. So, at this juncture, what we can give him to understand is that the AIADMK government has been in alliance with the BJP ever since the demise of former Chief Minister J. Jayalalitha and Edappadi K. Palaniswamy and O. Pannirselvam, who are taking the lead of the party, have been trying to have a good rapport with the BJP leadership. And in fact, even the RSS ideologue, Gurumurthy, has been instrumental in making a lot of decisions as far as the AIADMK's merger is concerned. So, this kind of a scenario only leads to a position where the BJP is also getting an upper hand here. And this is one of the crucial elections, Akshita. We need to remember this is an election without Jayalalitha, Karunanidhi. So, this is seen as a massive opportunity by the BJP to make inroads. And very clearly, to that accord, they have got nearly 20 seats right now and one Rajya Sabha seat. Earlier also, during the Lok Sabha polls, the BJP candidate Pon Radhakrishnan had contested from the constituency against H. Vasantakumar, who passed away due to COVID-19. So, this once again, BJP getting that seat also is very instrumental, and it can be very evident of the kind of upper hand that the BJP has in the AIADMK BJP alliance. Akshita.
Thank you for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.